Hey guys, what's up? It's bro fun. Ooh, it's the bro, little K, 321, and today we are not gonna be reviewing any End Strike Elite Blaster, but we will be reviewing a blaster. So, the blaster I have today for you is the Busby Air Warriors Cougar. Now, as you can see, the sticker got scratched off. There was nothing special there. It was just the word saying Buzz. It was just the word saying the name of the gun. So, yeah. Let me show you how this works. So, how this works is it's pretty simple. You have your little orange trigger. You take your green stock, push it, pull it back, let it go. And then you can pull it back anytime you want. And then shoot. Okay? So, yeah. Here's the mag filled with 3 End Strike Elite darts because the End Strike Elite darts do sometimes work with it, but not all the time. Yeah, it works with it. So, yeah. Yellow and green. They had different colors. They had blue. They had blue and yellow. I think they had orange too. Yeah, but as you can see, got your End Strike Elite Dart. As you can see. Yeah, but I told you, they sometimes work, but they don't work either. So, yeah. I can't find the original bullets made for this. I'm gonna have to get some Busby Air Warriors ones at Target because I know they sell, but I'm just not going to Target right now. So, yeah. It's a magazine. I like to, alright, so, correct me if I'm wrong. Do you know the new Boomco Blaster, the Rapid Madness? This magazine kind of looks like it, except that it doesn't hold like 33 darts or something like that. This shit has slam fire. The interesting thing about this is that once you cock it back once and the mag is out, you can cock it back as many times as you want. Shoot. So, yeah. So, that's pretty much it about it. So, yeah. Now I'm gonna move on to the shooting test of it. Okay, guys. So, as you can see, my camera is pointed at my curtains, and obviously that's what we're gonna be shooting. So yeah, you have your Busby Air Warriors gun, your Busby Air Warriors clipazine, and cougar zine, I meant to say. What? They have Glock zines, right? Cougar zine. Alright, so we're gonna see if these End Strike Elite darts actually shoot. So, Oh, that is cool. All white is heaven. Okay, so, yeah, enjoy the shooting test. Yeah, let's get to shooting. Okay, so, let's shoot this thing. As you can see, that did not shoot. That didn't shoot either. So, yeah. That pretty much sucked. Now we're gonna move on to, well, saying goodbye. Move on to saying goodbye. Okay, guys, so, yeah. That was pretty much the shooting tests of this little thing, cougar. And, next time, I'll be doing, tomorrow, I'll be doing matter of fact, I'm just not going to show you guys right now, but, I'll be doing a shooting test on the Amtrak Elite Retaliator, so stay tuned for that for tomorrow. Check out my channel, subscribe, leave a comment, like, all that stuff you do on YouTube. Peace out, guys. As always, this is your bro, Little Kid 321. Stay toasty, my friends.